Hello, my name is Larry Terry, and I'm the Executive Director of the Weldon Cooper Center for Public Service at the University of Virginia. It's no secret that the last year brought unprecedented challenges for businesses, organizations, and communities. Here at the Cooper Center, we decided to meet these challenges by adapting with the times and focusing on our 4 core values: access, collaboration, communities, and impact. We want our work to be accessible to the public. We want to engage in communal conversations. And above all, we want to help communities in Virginia thrive. Living up to these values during a pandemic called for a lot of hard work and creativity, but our teams rose to the occasion. We're publishing this impact report on the heels of last year's strategic plan to reflect on what we've done and to help us think about how we can do better work for Virginia's communities in the future. Last year, we offered students a lot of different experiences with hands-on public service work. In the 2021 fiscal year alone, 80 undergraduate and graduate students completed internships with the Cooper Center. Another exciting development is that 2 alums from the High School Leaders Program were so inspired by their Sorensen experience that they founded the Greater Good Initiative, a youth-led policy think tank. The creation of the Greater Good Initiative has been really rewarding for us because we're seeing young people take their experiences at the Cooper Center and use them to help others in Virginia and the United States. The Cooper Center is deeply committed to developing public leaders throughout the Commonwealth and beyond, and despite the challenges of the pandemic, we succeeded in transitioning to a virtual format that offered a meaningful and engaging experience. In this process, we discovered that online programs actually reached more people in smaller and more remote localities than in-person programs did for us in the past. In fact, in 5 rural areas, the number of courses completed in the Virginia Institute of Government's certification programs increased by more than 300%. This showed us how we can use virtual offerings to reach communities that may not have had a chance to participate in our programs and to bring people together from distant parts of Virginia. Another important goal for our center is to help build resilient communities throughout the Commonwealth. And the Center for Survey Research helped to assess unmet child care needs in the city of Martinsville and Henry County through a survey for the Harvest Foundation. Thanks in part to this survey, the foundation was able to secure funding to meet those needs. We're also working with communities through the Energy Transition Initiative, launched in 2020, which provides research and support for the Virginia Clean Economy Act. As part of this initiative, the Cooper Center partnered with the Virginia Department of Energy to provide support and technical assistance to Virginia localities who are navigating the transition to solar energy. While our core efforts are focused in Virginia, the Cooper Center's reach extends to the national level as well. The Demographics Research Group worked with members of Congress, the governor's office, and local governments to raise and address concerns about the quality of 2020 census data. They also collected over 1,000 stories from people who have used their racial dot map in a wide variety of ways, and it was exciting to see that the map has been used most often as a starting point for conversations about inequalities in the United States and ways to address them. Here at the Cooper Center, we're proud of the work we're doing, and we're eagerly looking towards the future of public service. Please visit our website to learn more about our projects and to read our full impact report.